You're welcome to Math Easy Peasy, and in today's class, we shall be looking at the lowest common multiples of numbers, which is also referred to as the LCM. Now, what is lowest common multiple? We all know that a multiple is a number that we derive when two numbers are multiplied. So the multiple of 3 and 5 is 15, while the multiple of 4 and 2 is 8. So in this case, we are going to look for the lowest common multiple of two numbers. That means the lowest number that two numbers or three numbers can divide without a remainder. And we are going to be using the tabular method. Now let's go straight to our first example. Example 1. Find the lowest common multiple of 8, 24, and 36. So I'm asked to look for the lowest common multiple of 8, 24, and 36. So let's go straight to our solution. Now, we're using the tabular method. We draw our lines. We have 8, 24, and 36. We want to look for the lowest common multiple of these numbers. Now, we are going to break it down using prime numbers. In our last class, we were able to factorize numbers using prime numbers. In this case, we are also going to break it down using prime numbers. So let's start with our smallest prime number, 2. So I'm starting with 2. 2 in 8 gives us 4, while 2 in 24 gives us 12. 2 in 36 gives us 18. Now, we can still divide by 2 because there are numbers that can be divided by 2 in our problem. 2 in 4 gives us 2. 2 in 12 gives us 6, while 2 in 18 gives us 9. Yes, 2 can still divide through because 2 of the numbers can also be divided by 2. Now we go again with our 2. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 6, 3, and 2 in 9 cannot. When the number we're using cannot divide one of the numbers, what do? We just bring it what? Down. Now let's go ahead. Now we discover that 2 cannot divide any of these numbers again. So what do we need to do? We're simply going to use 3. This is already 1. What do? We bring it down. This is 3. 3 in 3 gives us 1. While 3 in 9 gives us what? 3. Remember, we must break everything till we make them 1 at the end. So now we need to eliminate this 3. We simply need to use 3 because 3 is a prime number. Now 3 in 1, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Therefore, LCM of 8, 24, and 36 will be equal to. Now we'll bring these numbers. 2 times 2 times another 2 times our 3 times the other 3. This can be rewritten in index form as 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2. Now what do we have? 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3, 24. 24 times 3, that gives us 72. Am I correct? This is also equal to 72 because what we have here is simply 8 times 9, 72. So math is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, Mr. Austin's okra soup. See you in my next class. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye.